Alrighty, what's going on, appreneurs? Christopher Wilson here, Mobile at Mogul, and I'm making this video today just to tell you all, listen, don't make any type of coronavirus apps, and I'm telling you this because I feel kind of bad myself because I made a series of videos on how to make a coronavirus app. But I received a comment from, let's get his name here. I received a comment from my man Felix Ornos, and and I really feel bad about this because I kind of feel partly responsible, but not fully. But he says, "Good day, sir. I've uploaded 10 apps. He's doing good, but out of which 2 were suspended. One for impersonation. The one said that there was a reference to COVID-19. What advice do you give?" Okay, and I wrote him back. As soon as I seen this, I'm like, oh man, these folks at Google Play, they're at it again. Now, I'm gonna tell you something, and what you probably already know. I hate Google Play because they're not right. They're not right in no regards. But listen here, for those of you that have your Google Play accounts, please don't do anything to make these assholes mad. Sorry to put it bluntly. But regarding, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about this. Okay, I replied back to Felix. Man, just don't put anything else, anything regarding COVID-19, anything. Don't even mention that in any of your other apps that you're considering making. And that's for everybody. Listen, just don't mess with that COVID-19 stuff because Google Play is going ballistic right now, as you can see. And I wanted to take a look at his developer account. But anyway, I just said don't make anything, on my keyboard, my the ink on my keyboard keys is going away. So that should be don't make any COVID-19 because it is a Google Play will suspend your account. If you get so many suspended apps on your account, man, they're going to close your account. And I hope nobody is experiencing that right now. But they'll do that. Okay? And the thing is, it's their fault. Because why would you approve an app to then go and suspend an app? Which is ridiculous. Okay? Just don't approve the app from the get-go, and then I'll leave it alone. But you're going to approve the app like it's good to go, and then 2-3 days later, you're going to suspend the app. Why? And I've responded to these idiots many a times. And and I don't want to go through all the emails I've got from them. But the bottom line is, once they suspend your account, man, they're not going to respond back to you. The only letter you're going to get back is, we looked up your account and we're going to stay with our decision. They're not going to look at anything. They're going to suspend your account. Okay? So, now, if you remember way back in, I can go back to my old videos. Matter of fact, let me take my picture off here because I want to focus on me right now. Back when I first, decided to, tell everybody how to make a coronavirus app, I did not want anyone to put it on Google Play. But you can put it on Facebook, and you can put it on, the other tier 2 app stores. Okay? But don't try and put it on Google Play. Matter of fact, don't even try to put it on iTunes or the App Store either. But, okay, why do they have another one now? Because whoever this is, I don't care. I really don't care who they are. because they don't care about, COVID-19. It's a money thing. They're paying Google. They're paying Google Play. So let's not get it twisted. Okay? Why is everyone else app getting suspended? Like Felix's, his is getting suspended, but you're gonna approve this app? Come on, man. Come on. You're gonna approve all your apps, but people that's really, addressing the issue and getting to the people about this thing, you're gonna suspend their apps. Come on, man. I ain't trying to hear it. I'm trying to keep low key right now. I ain't trying to hear that though. Okay? I'm not going to even get into scenarios of what it's like. But it's like, you being pulled over by the police for no reason, and they just making up stuff. They making up stuff. Okay? That's not right. But, again, why would they approve his app? Because that's what Google Play does. That's what they do. They do stupid stuff, man. Don't give me the okay that the app is good, and then turn around and say, it's not good. And like I said, I'm being light right now. I'm trying to keep the language, PG. But yeah. So I just want to tell Felix, man, just don't put up anything like that, man. Please don't get your account suspended. Because if you have a Google Play account right now, it's really worth more than gold. Okay? I was telling Ricardo that earlier. You got a Google Play account, man. You got a chance to make some money. Just keep your Google Play account. Now they're gonna do stupid stuff. Matter of fact, I feel I gotta show you one thing. Just one thing. How idiotic these folks are. And I'm gonna tell you, I've been drinking. But I'm gonna show you this one thing. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I was looking for the email to where they said I could not use a developer name. Okay? For my email here, this is Quiz Top Apps. Okay? And I use that as my developer name, Quiz Top Apps, because I was making quiz apps at the time. Do you know, they told me I can't use Quiz Top Apps? And I'm trying to find the email about that. Matter of fact, let me see. I think this is it. Yeah, for example, your developer name, Quiz Top Apps, currently misrepresents your app's current status or performance on Play. Can you believe that? Now, I'm trying to sit back and just meditate on this a minute. Quiz Top Apps is my developer's name. How is that representing, or how is that misrepresenting anything as far as that goes? Think about it. It doesn't, right? But anyway, they said, please update developer name to fix this issue. Okay? So basically, I had to change my name, my developer name, from Quiz Top Apps. Okay? So they will go through any means to do some stupid BS, man. Okay? And needless to say, and I was telling Felix earlier, they'll approve your app to suspend your app instead of just rejecting the app from the get-go. And like I said, this is just a few results I came up with. Actually, I have a lot of emails, from Google Play, actually on just this email, okay? But, let's see. Okay, here's something from, here's one. Okay, the app is already approved, but the update was rejected because of this legitimate, I guess. They sent me a screenshot, and I guess they get a little better on this, but You know, I still don't trust them. But I guess when I updated it, okay, I updated it, and I guess they're seeing something here. This is my Black Superheroes app. Okay, Black Superheroes quiz. Okay, so I guess they found the problem with that. Okay, I have no problem. Don't approve my app and then suspend my app, which is what they do. Okay, this app. Let's see, this is another one. This is already the 4 apps I put up already. All these apps were up. I'm thinking there's no problem with them. Then all of a sudden, they hit me with 4 suspended apps. Okay? Impersonation. Okay, well, why'd you approve it in the first place? Had you not approved it in the first place, we wouldn't be going through this. But they'll approve your app to suspend your app. Just one of the games they use. Okay? And it's like, and I want you all to remember this day. Remember this day. If you don't remember anything else, all this happens on a Thursday. I've had Google Play accounts for years, Google Play developer accounts for years. It's always on a Thursday when I guess they do their little roundups, So with that being said, I'm staying focused on this, y'all. Just don't put up anything coronavirus related. And I do apologize. Matter of fact, I just may take those videos down, actually, when I think about it. How to make a coronavirus app. I think I may take those down. But, for now, don't put up anything related to COVID-19 because it's not going to be right. Google Play is going to approve who they want to approve to put up COVID-19. So, don't even play with them. Keep your app and keep your account in good standings with Google Play developers. Okay. Like I said, I can speak like this because I don't deal with them. I don't F with them no more. Okay? So I'm telling you, don't even play with these idiots because they're idiots. They don't want you to make no money. Okay? So, and I hate to say it like that, y'all, but and like I said, I've been drinking. I'm telling the truth though. So, keep your app in good standing with Google Play. Keep your app in good standing with Amazon too. Amazon is flaky too. Okay? And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Don't make any coronavirus apps. And try to put those on the Google Play, on your Google Play developer account or your Google Play account. Don't even do it. Don't even mess with these folks. Don't try to get, sneak in on it. Take it from me. Don't even do it. Anything COVID-19 related, I would say, don't do any COVID-19 wallpapers. Don't do any ringtones. Nothing. Leave these folks alone when it comes to that, y'all. Okay? Please. Because I don't want you to get your account suspended. Okay? Christopher Wilson, Mobile at Mogul. I'm signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. And actually, I will be moving over to Mobimatic. Exciting training coming up on that. And man, woo, I'm excited about it. Y'all gonna love it. Y'all gonna love it. Okay? So anyway, Christopher Wilson signing off. See you in the next video.